Script for YouTube video, Making Money Origami Bird. Hi everyone, welcome back to another origami tutorial. Today we're creating a beautiful bird using just a bill. This design is simple yet elegant and perfect for gifts or decorations. Let's get started. Step 1. Fold the bill into a square. Start by folding your bill as shown to form a perfect square shape. Trim the excess if needed, but most bills fold nicely into this shape. Origami tip. Make sharp creases by running your fingernail or a ruler along the fold. It keeps the shape crisp and neat. Step 2. Fold the square into a triangle. Fold the square diagonally to form a triangle. Align the edges carefully and press down firmly on the crease. Step 3. Fold the wings of the bird. Take one side of the triangle and fold it outward to create one wing. Repeat on the other side for the second wing. Adjust for symmetry. Origami tip. For a more dynamic look, angle the wings slightly upward as if the bird is about to take flight. Step 4. Fold the bird's head. On one end, fold down a small section to form the bird's head. You can make it rounded or pointy depending on your style. Step 5. Fold the tail. At the other end, fold a small section outward to shape the bird's tail. Origami tip. Add slight bends to the tail or wings to give the bird a lifelike appearance. Step 6. Done. That's it. You've just created a graceful money origami bird. Your bird is now ready to spread its wings. Whether it's for a gift or a creative project, this design is sure to impress. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy origami ideas. Thank you for watching, and happy folding!